Good morning, everybody. Here in Nova Scotia, it's another rainy old autumn day. It's Turkey Sunday, so today there's going to be some family members coming over, and we're going to have a turkey dinner. So I'm just going to hang around home. So today I'm going to do a little bit of carving, whittling, carving, whatever you want to call it. Carving something that I've always loved to do, and I'm going to show you how to carve these guys right there. Still a little bit low energy right now. Just got up a little while ago, so don't mind me. We're gonna slowly get back into it. Might be just a low energy vlog today. Okay, so I have a piece of wood here that I've started doing some carving on, that I've got marked out for what I'm going to turn into to this guy, something looking like him. So I'll switch around and I'll show you how to do that and what to do. As you can see here on the wood, I believe you can already see, you can start to see that I've already got something done. So I guess where you want to start here is leave however room from the top, and then come down right about in your middle, and then come down on an angle on either side to start the top of his eyes. And then once you come to the side of the wood over here, find an angle that you like, and then come across and then meet the 2 points right at the edge there. Do that on both sides. Now, this gap in between here is going to be the beginning of the bridge of his nose. So you can determine how wide you want that, and then start to draw what will be his nose. Have some harsh lines on the side, angle coming up on there maybe. So you can kind of see what that's starting to look like. So down here, down where the end of his nose is, you come down and you can start to do, if you want to put on his mustache. So just come straight across there, and then straight down on the sides, however much of an angle you want to put on his mustache, and then start to get that lined in. Right about in the middle of the wood there is where you want to have it. Angle down to the side, and then start to define his mustache is where you want it to, how big you want it to be. Also, I have on him a beard. I don't know if you can see it. But I have it started there. And then it comes down to right where my thumb is. So you can see his mustache there, but then that's his beard. So there, we got him all marked off. What we're going to do is we're going to start carving. Something I find about whittling and carving, woodworking in general actually, so relaxing. Been doing it all my life, absolutely love it. I have different carvings that I have given away as gifts. Let's see if I can find another carving here that I've been working on that's maybe kicking around somewhere. Spoon. So this is the spoon that I've been carving. All right, folks, we are coming right along with this guy. The old man wood spiritual. Something or other. But look at that. Coming right along. Alrighty, we are just getting done, almost done carving up the old man, or I guess you could call it, it also is a similarity to the Great Deku Tree from Zelda, so take a look to see where we're at. Not too shabby, not too shabby. We got one more step, maybe two more steps, and then a couple of little refineries, and then I'll hit it up with the sandpaper and then do everything final. So the next step, I'm gonna take a lighter to it, and I'm not gonna quite go all the way with it. It's called shoshugiban. It's a Japanese technique to age wood, and that's what I'm gonna do. It also protects it. Here's what it looks like after you shoshugiban it. It's all blackened and charred a little bit, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over it with some sandpaper, sand that off, and probably go over it with a lighter again, maybe two more times to get the right look that I want to. And then do a couple little more touch-ups, and then put in some finer details, and it's on the road to being almost complete. The task is complete. Got done carving, burning, and doing the final touches on the Great Deku Tree from Zelda. I just remember that's what it looks like. So here's the Great Deku Tree from Zelda, final rendering. There we have it. Here are two of them side by side. Right on. This is the video for today. I hope you enjoyed on how to carve the Great Deku Tree from Zelda. I know I love carving, so I sure did have a great time carving it. I might even get another one on the go later on today. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button down below. Smash that thumbs up button. And stay tuned for the next video coming up tomorrow. Alright, have a great day. Cheers, everybody.